Sometimes mistakes happen.
Ate wano ne badija baba ne zalawo.
Echamanendo okugamba badija osanga omya yali mubala not kuba mu Nigeria nga Spice katudde wali ne katuko full madala nga totukuye luyimba lwe. Like really I don't know type ya zalawo by the way. Zalawo lisuka.
Okay.
Zalawo lisuka. Oh, okay, that is truth.
Hello, greetings. My name is Truth256. So munange about the Purple Party. Chatuso chidinti. My performance was cut short. That's the kuyimba at the event to support the event. Never not to say DJing up playing nyimba zange 1 minute in. I had planned to perform 3 to 4 songs. Nene biriza with the young chuka for the next song. Kulaba ulia wanike mikono angamba cut like vayo, I said thank you, and when I was walking away ngamba ku stage MC nangamba kubanga abantu batandisa okuyomba screaming hard guy is my song oluli kokati oyina ngamba performing a cappella. I did an a cappella of Hard Guy nentambula neva ku stage. Chazo senti organizer yabagambye bakatinge short my performance. I don't know for so many reasons, but one would be nti waliwe abadajja ku stage ngo bali kugamba they want to perform and leave. So that's what happened. And then when my brother came, when Reggie came to perform, nachogerako, he heard about it. That's what he was reacting to. Nevidala. Hello, greetings. My name is Truth256.